So I thought I would show you a video in which we can look at the impulse of an object. So I have the air track on and this glider is here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push this glider so that it hits this hoop spring and it's going to record that force. Then I'm going to try to switch the hoop springs and get another stiffer hoop spring to be hit, which would put a greater force on the glider to show you that they have different forces in the time that they interact with this. So this is going to be a quick switch here. I have to switch these out. Hopefully I can do it within the time frame. So first one is going to be the one with the weaker hoop spring, and the second one will be the one with the greater hoop spring. So here goes. There's the weaker one hitting, and here's the greater one hitting. Well, it looks like on my graph, I got something that happened right here that hit one of the hoop springs, the force sensors that's connected to it. If I have a force sensor that's connected right here. So if you notice, this was the weaker hoop spring, it isn't so stiff. This area underneath the graph, I'm going to highlight it. This area underneath the graph right there, that is what we call the impulse. If I go to analyze it, I can ask it to calculate that for me. And right there, it calculated that for me. It's telling me how many newtons per second is the impulse for this area underneath here. Now, notice over here, I just get the stiffer hoop spring. So the stiffer hoop spring is going to produce a greater force. Look at, didn't my force become the force went down to a greater line? Now, the other thing on here, is that these forces are negative. And the reason they're negative is because the glider is moving in one direction, and these forces are being applied on it in the opposite direction. So that's why these forces are negative. But we can see when we have the weaker hoop spring pushing on the glider, not as much force, and notice the time is longer. If we go over to the other hoop spring, the stiffer one, which supplies a greater force, you can see we've got a bigger change in the Y value. It's a shorter time, so the force is greater. This is kind of like airbags in your car. The airbag applies the force on you, but it does it for a shorter time on your body when it goes off, so then that gives less force on your body, so you have less damage. This would be maybe you hitting the dashboard. If you hit the dashboard, the time that you collide with it and interact with it is a shorter time, and that would be putting a greater force on your body. So this is just kind of showing us that impulse. The area underneath here would also be the impulse. This I'm saying, right here, something must have hit that hoop spring. I don't know what it was because I was switching out the two springs for that time. So we're just looking at that impulse, the force and the time that something does apply. So this is just a quick demo of impulse.